Hey guys, it's your girl TJ. Welcome back to our channel. And today I'm going to be doing a skincare haul. So I have a couple items here. Not a lot, just a few. And I'm going to be testing them out for the first time with you guys. So the first items I got was the Dr.Belmeur Lab Toner and Salt Cream. This is for dry skin because I have dry combination skin. I also have sensitive skin, so most products are a hit and miss for me. Hopefully these are a hit and not a miss. Let's check them out. So the first one is the toner. So this cute little packaging. It's definitely on the thicker side for toners, which I like. I love a thicker toner. No burning, so that's good. Feels nice. It's got a little bit of a scent, and I'm someone who doesn't like scented products, but it's a good scent. It's not like a overbearing scent. It's not something that's going to make me feel nauseous. I'm liking it so far. And then here's the salt cream. If I'm being honest, I'm not a big fan of facial products in tubes. That's just my preference. If you like it, that's cool, but I'm not the biggest fan of them. I prefer them to be in jars because I feel like at the end, like when you're getting close to the end of the product, it's harder to get the product out. Whether in a jar, you can just scoop that out with your finger. But it's still cool. Like, it doesn't stop me from buying products that I want to get. I gravitate more towards a product that's in a jar than I do towards a tube. But like I said, I'm still gonna try it out. You know, spent money on it. So here's the cream. That's nice. It's real nice. Hello, honey. Yes. Okay. I'm looking forward to testing out these products in the next couple of weeks and seeing how they go. But these are the first two things that I got. And anybody who knows me knows that I collect sheet masks. I have a lot of them. When I went to Korea, I got a lot more to add to my collection. So I also made sure to grab some more sheet masks. The first one I got is 2 rice water masks. Rich moisture and hydration rich. These are the 2 first ones I got. And I also got 3 from Herb Day. They're all like fruit flavored masks. And it's really just the packaging that caught my attention for these ones. They're really cute. And then I got another Dr. Belmeur. And it's the little cartoons on it that caught my attention as well. So I just added 6 more masks to my collection. I'll do another video on that some other time. What else do I have in my bag of tricks? And then I got these 2. These were going on for Christmas, which is not too long after the time I got them. These are both travel kits. So the first one, the Dr. Belmeur travel kit. Which is funny because I'm traveling soon. Ooh. I got a toner, a color cream, an essence. Okay. Little packaging. They're like, oh my gosh, they're decent sizes. Again, with the squeeze tubes for the creams. I mean, the brand's good as whatever. Not my favorite thing, but 3 nice, decent sized products. Let's test out the toner first. Oh, it's like a milky toner. Have you ever seen those? Like, it's kind of white when it comes out. This one doesn't have a scent. Yeah, this one doesn't have a scent, so I like that. The essence. Oh, okay. This one has a bit of a scent, but it doesn't bother me. Feels nice. And now for the recovery cream. I wonder, is this recovery cream? Okay. Yeah, it's a face cream. I wasn't sure if it was an eye cream or a face cream. It's cute though. Oh yeah. It's thick. I can't even do that. Okay. Interesting. You know, I think I might be wrong on this. Cream. Okay, I see. So you're supposed to put the cream on after the toner, and then you put on the essence. Makes sense. So those are the 3 products in the travel kit. And then I also got a chia seed advanced travel kit. Oh, now this is cute. I like this. This I like. Okay, let me get a fresh start. Wipe off products I used. This hand. So the first thing I got is a hydro toner. I love this packaging. This is so cute. I am one of those people who buys products based off their packaging. So like your marketing teams out there, those who are doing those bomb packaging or those different unique packaging, I'm one of those customers you're putting it towards. I love a good package. this is definitely a more watered down toner. Like the Belmeur toner was definitely thicker. This one is more, it's a lighter toner. Oh, and it's scented. Is that rosemary? It smells like rosemary. Oh yeah, it's got perfume / fragrance in the ingredients. It smells like rosemary. So it's not like a huge scent. Ooh, wait. It's got a cooling effect. I don't know if it's supposed to do that, but my hand feels a little cool, like it's chilling a little. And then there's the lotion that goes with it. I'm not gonna use too much, just a little bit that was on the cap. Ooh, okay, this is nice. I like this. Yeah, it's got the same scent. It doesn't tell you on the ingredients what the scent is, but it smells like rosemary to me. Now this is what I like to see, a jar. Okay, a hydro cream. Part that was on the lid here. Actually, that might have been too much. Ooh, okay, yeah, that was a lot. So you don't need a lot of the cream. Oh, but you know, I love this. I love how it feels. It's really light. It's got like it looks thick, but it's got a watery consistency. Same scent. So this is the chia seed travel kit. If you're someone who's like extremely sensitive to scent, you may not like this one. If you're someone who doesn't particularly prefer scent, but it doesn't really matter if it has like a tiny scent, then this is fine. And if you're someone who loves scents, then you'll like this too. So this is the first set of stuff that I got. And I also got this Jeju Aloe Fresh Soothing Gel. Now this is exciting. I got this for 2 reasons. One is because I am getting another tattoo. And so I didn't want to have to use the non-scented moisturizers. I thought this would be better. We'll test it out. And also it's like, I have like make it yourself the DIY face mask, sheet face mask. So I'd like this to be base. It should be exciting. So let me clean off the item. Oh, and to clean off all I'm using the Olay facial wipes. It's a big tube. And it was only $8. I was really happy about the price for this. So It smells like aloe vera. I knew that going in, so. Oh, this is perfect. I use a tiny dot. Shine, honey. Yes. This is nice. This is nice. Probably gonna use this right after this. So I got that. I got this oil clear blotting pad. Funny thing is, I don't wear makeup, but in the summer, whenever I wear sunscreen, or whenever in the summer my face tends to get more oily than dry, and a YouTuber named Kenny JD, shout out to her, had mentioned the Innis Clear version of this. This is the face wash, but it's the same thing. She said it was good just to walk around even if she had no makeup on, so test it out. It comes with this cute little sponge. It's like, I'm really hoping that it doesn't be like a gray cast, because that would be depressing. Oh, okay. Yeah. Let's just make sure. Yeah, no. I put about 3 to 4 dabs onto this hand. I don't see anything. Light's not showing anything. Camera's not showing anything. That's exciting. So yeah, definitely gonna test this out more during the summer. I just got it now because I saw it now and I thought, oh my gosh, it's the exact same thing. And then I got a Belief face mask because, like I said, I collect these things. I've never heard of Belief before, but you know I'm always into trying new products. By the way, none of these products are products that I've had before. So all the products that I'm showing right now are products I've never used before. This was an expensive mask. Most masks cost about $2 to $4 usually in Canada. $2 to $4 around that price range. $6 is an expensive mask. This was $11 for one. It's not like a bunch of masks. It's one mask. I usually don't spend this much, so it better be worth it. It's a hydration mask though, but I heard good things about Belief, so that's one of the items I got. Then I got this rice water cleansing cream. So because I have sensitive skin, I'm very cautious with the type of cleansers I use. Almost all cleansers I react to except the Laneige one, the multi cleanser, the blue one. That one I've never had a reaction to. Every cleanser I've tried aside from that one and the Innisfree Jeju Volcanic Pore Cleansing Foam, those are the only two cleansers I've been able to use without having a reaction to it. So I don't remember what YouTuber I saw using this, but I saw a YouTuber using it and it looked pretty interesting. So I kind of want to try it out. I'll be a little disappointed because it's huge. It's 400 milliliters. It's pretty big. It was $19 Canadian, so it'll be cheaper for all you Americans out there. Oh wow! It's like a mousse. Let me read the instructions. blushes are all Korean. I can't remember what it is, but they're in Korean. I can speak a little Korean, but I'm not fluent. So I'm going to assume the girl I saw doing this wiped it off. So I'm going to assume that she didn't leave it in. Since it says it's a cleansing. It's got a bit, it smells like cucumbers. Now the girl who tried it on in the video was wearing makeup. I don't wear makeup on a regular day basis, and I'm usually more into like lip products, highlighters, blush. Love me a good highlight. I'm not wearing any of that. Obviously, my skin is bare. So I didn't take anything off. This is what it looks like. Just wipe it off though. So I'm pretty sure you're supposed to wipe it off. And if I'm doing this wrong, let me know so I can try it again. But yeah. Still got the cucumber smell. The skin feels soft, nice. I think I'm gonna enjoy this product. And my last favorite thing, or most exciting thing to try out, this one. I got the Miracle Serum, the cream essence, the water, all in the package. I love this packaging. Whoever created this, I believe, you need a raise. It's really cute and artistic, and that's something I really enjoy. I don't want to rip it. Oh my gosh. It is harder to open than it looks. Oh, it might have been just me. I damaged the box a little bit. That's sad. Wow. This is. Oh my gosh! I'm dropping products. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's glass. I'm glad it didn't break. You'd think I'd learn after the first 2 times. Yeah, no. This is what it looks like, guys. I'm loving this. So, let's see what we've got here, shall we? Oh, there's a lemon on it. I thought that was dirt. No, it is dirt. Never mind. That's lovely. And it wasn't opened because I damaged it trying to open it. That's nice. Other than that, so there's this Miracle Cream. And here's the water essence that I dropped earlier. My light is too bright. And then here is the actual product that I wanted and why I got it. The serum. The little dropper came in a little separate box. Let's drop it today. Let's test it out. That's a lot. It that scent is, I don't know. But it feels nice. So I'm enjoying that. Yeah, that feels good. And then here's the cream. It's all dusty. Oh, it looks like a top hat. Top hat. A top hat. Oh my gosh, English. It looks like a top hat. Cute, isn't it? Oh, okay. It's a top hat cream. This one has a different scent than the Essence. Still not sure what the scent is though. Okay, so I am feeling a little bit of stinging after putting on the cream. It hurts a little bit actually. I didn't leave any redness, but it's hurting a little bit. Maybe it's because I put so many products on my phone. I'll give it a try on a different day of just it. But my hand's hurting a little bit here. And then here's the water essence. Like travel size. The water essence and the cream. I'm actually gonna try it on this hand just because the other hand is burning. Ooh. There's the essence. Full squirt. This one smells like aloe vera, actually. It smells good. Essence. No, this one's not burning. It's got a cooling effect, but it's not burning. So yeah, I'm gonna just double check that cream on a different day because it's burning. But like I said, I have sensitive skin and every product I try is a hit or miss. Well guys, thanks for coming to watch our video, or my video. It was a bit long, but those were the skincare products that I went and got my haul. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in our next video.